Good morning, students. Welcome back to our computer class. Today we will continue with our second lesson, Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. Okay, children, which comes an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of application. Okay, it has a graphical user interface. It is organized and manipulate data, children. Okay, children, it provides the facility to create relationship between these tables using the common fields. A relational database enables to prevent duplicate data. That means by using this one, we can prevent a data. Another important feature of Access is that you can add, update, delete and view data and establish relationship by using forms. Some other examples are Skybase, Oracle and SQL. These all are the examples for the relational database management system software, children. What are those? RDBMS. Okay, to now we can see an example. For that, to maintain students database in RDBMS, instead of entering all records in a single table, we split our fields into multiple tables having a common column. The first table is a students information table. This table consists of information of the students. Okay, children. To enter the details of the students' marks, percentage and grades, you do not enter all the fields in a separate table, children, which have already been entered the students information table. You will take only common field in the second table. Okay, children. Second table is the student marks table. Notice that values of the roll number field in the student marks table are the same as the students information table. You can define a relationship between both the tables using a common field, that is roll number. In this way, RDBMS reduces the duplicity of data. Okay, children. Now coming to the features of Microsoft Access. Access provides the facility to break the large information into small parts so that it is easy to access the information. That only, children, we can divide the large information into small tables so that we can access the any information very easily. Okay, duplication of data is reduced. Duplication of data is reduced, children. Okay, it increases the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching and accessing the information. That means we can search any information very easily by using this MS Access. Access facilitates sharing of data. Different users can use the same database to extract data according to their needs. That means by using this we can share the data. Access provides data security features to maintain integrity, which is useful to make your data more constant and reliable. Okay, children. It provides the facility to create data forms so that user can enter the required information in the respective fields. By using the forms, we can enter our information in a respective fields. It also reduces data entry errors. By using this, it will reduces the data entry error. Queries help you to get information on a specific topic from the information stored in the database. Okay. Reports allows you to present the data in a meaningful and summarized manner. By using these reports, we can present our data in a meaningful way. Our next topic is children components of Microsoft Access children. When you open Microsoft Access in our MS Office suite, we will get the window like this children. In this one, we have different parts will be. Okay children. Now we will discuss about those parts. That first one is that title bar. It is located at the top of the window and displays the name of the current database. Okay children, what is that part? Title bar. Okay. The next one is quick access toolbar children. Okay children, this toolbar is present at the top left corner of the access window. It contains most frequently used commands buttons. Okay children, by default it displays the save, undo and redo buttons. But you can customize it to display more commands as you wish. Okay children, that means whatever commands you want, you can customize those buttons there in the quick access toolbar. The next one is that ribbon. It contains various tabs, each with several group of relevant commands. Okay children, some tabs appear when you work with the certain objects like forms. Such tabs are called contextual tabs. Okay children, the next one is that navigation pan. This pan is present on the left side of the access window. It displays the name of the object used in the database such as tables, queries, forms, reports and etc. Next one is the navigation buttons. As the name suggests, it helps to navigate through the records. The navigation buttons display the current record number is in an object. Okay children. The next one is that object tab. The objects that you have opened in a database appear right above the fields of the table. That part is called as the object tab children. That means in that tab what we will get, what we opened in the database, those all we will get in that object tab children. Okay children. We completed our second lesson now children. Try to do blanks, true or false and multiple choice question and answers in the page numbers 17 and 18 from your computer textbook. Okay children.